Well, the gCADPlus user in the United States can't get the fillet command to work in a drawing similar to this. The fillet command, if we pick, say, this line here and this line here, the fillet command can either square it all off with a radius of 0 or put some sort of arc in here and asking us to give the radius of the arc. So let's just see if we can make the fillet command work, and I'll try and show you the problem that he's having. So we'll say let's fillet. The prompt says select your first object or polyline. We pick that one and then the second one, and absolutely nothing happens. The reason it's not working is, let me cancel from there and start the command again, pick my first line, then right click and click set radius. Let me just move that across. If you set the radius, and he's left the radius set at 50, this is a US one, and that's a radius that's longer even than the line running through here. So if we now set that back to a much more reasonable radius, the base unit is feet here, so let's say 5 feet, and we'll see what happens. We can now pick our second one, and in goes our nice curve. So we can exit from there. So there's nothing wrong with the fillet command itself. We'll clearly want to pave this area with the curve now, so we'll need some adjustments of the lines that are still there. But can you see you can get nice shapes by using the fillet command. Don't forget, if you have, let me draw a couple of lines like so, one there, and repeat the line there, and say like so, those two lines overlap. You can do a trim and a square off all in one go with the fillet command. We'll pick the first of these lines, right click, set the radius at 0, and then pick the second one. So that does a trim and squares off these two lines. It doesn't put a right angle in there, but it trims all in one action. Well, here's the fillet with the arc applied to the paving area, as well as the edging for the garden, and that gives us the sort of impact that our user was aiming for.